Alrighty, today we're going to do a little tutorial on making our birthday candles. So it is Nature Club's first birthday and we are excited to celebrate, and I wanted to include this activity to celebrate with you all, but maybe you have a birthday at home you could make them for, or maybe you just want to make some little cute candles that you can burn. They burn quite quickly, so they're a fun one for kids to make and burn and really see that process from start to finish. So what you need is your pieces of beeswax. I've actually cut these, they can be a bit thinner. You could even get potentially out of some of the wider pieces 2 candles. You need your wick that's provided, and you need some scissors. I also like to use an edge like this, so you could also use a book or something to create an edge. So what we're going to do is take our piece of wax, line it up with just a tiny bit hanging off the edge there, and then push down with your fingers. And what that will help do is create like a little channel, and that little channel is where we're going to put the wax. Then I like to just cut the wax to the right size. We go maybe a ½ centimeter longer than the candle, and we place the the wick into that little channel. Oops, I'm doing a little bit short there. That's all right. I'm going to go there. Then I'm going to use that little channel to push over and pinch the wick into place. So for little ones, this is a really good starting point, because then little hands can roll it up. So if it's a little bit tricky to get that wick in the right spot, you might want to help get to this point. And then I actually like doing it this way and then pulling it towards me, and I'm just rolling quite tight. Push to stick the layers together. Roll it over, and then we're going to lift it up and just finish that seam by just pressing down, not too firm because you'll break the candle, but firm enough that you'll feel it kind of meld together. And there you have a cute little birthday candle. If you are working in a cold environment, you may want to warm the wax up first. So you can do that kind of in your hands or with a hairdryer, or just place it somewhere warm first, and that will help get it a little bit more malleable so you can use it.